Something, hopefully that'll be a little fun. I'm going to do Star Spangled Banner. And I got some tab. I'll put the link in the description. You can open it in your browser, save it, whatever you want. It's free. All I ask is that you consider subscribing. And let's see, I'm using just some compression, a compressor, and my American Sound Joyo pedal. I'm gonna play D major is the key, but we're gonna place our index at the 7th fret for this. I'll play through. Okay, that's a good exercise to learn the major scale. Thanks for watching. Have fun playing it. Bye.